Alright guys, for today's lesson, I'm going to be covering how you use the chain rule to find the derivative of a function. For example, let's say that you have the function y is equal to x to the fifth plus 3 all raised to the fifth power. Unfortunately, you can't just simply do the power rule for this because you have the x to the fifth plus 3 inside of those parentheses. So you have to do a little bit more to this problem than just your regular old power rule. Here's what you would do to find the derivative. The first thing you would do is take the 5, and just like before, you would bring that power out in front. So my derivative would be 5, and then x to the fifth plus 3. What's in parentheses, just write it again. Drop the power down, and then that would be 4. So far, that's no different than what you've been doing so far. Here's the thing that separates the chain rule, is that once you have done that, you have to go ahead and take the derivative of what is inside of those parentheses. So the x to the fifth plus 3. So that means I need to take the derivative of that. So I'm going to leave the 5 and the x to the fifth plus 3 raised to the fourth alone. Now let's take the derivative of this as well. X to the fifth plus 3, the derivative of that would be 5x to the fourth, and the derivative of 3 is just 0. All right, this is great, but I'm going to clean it up a little bit with some algebra. So I'm going to do 5 times 5, so that's going to give me 25x to the fourth, and then x to the fifth plus 3 raised to the fourth. And then this would be the derivative of that function.